Hello, my name is Daniel Holbach, and I'd like to answer a few questions I get quite often about Ubuntu development, about the MOTU team, how to get involved. During Ubuntu Developer Week, we had around 200 participants, and we had lots of questions. It was interesting to see what kind of expectation people have about Ubuntu development and how to get started there. And I think we made it quite easy to get started with Ubuntu development, because we have quite a lot of materials explaining how to package, how to use packaging tools, advanced techniques of getting stuff packaged, patched, updated, and so on. We have videos. We have pretty good documentation of all the processes, all the things that you need in everyday life when you start contributing. For example, there's Harvest, which is a service that pulls data from various sources and gives you an overview over all the packages we have in Ubuntu and which easy tasks or recurring tasks there are for each of the source packages. And that should make it quite easy for you to just grab something and try to solve the issues behind it. It was interesting to see how many people asked me, I can't really code in C. Can I really get involved with Ubuntu development? And I think that's the most common expectation, that people think I need to be able to code in C, C++, Perl, Python, whatever. And that's not really the case. What's really important to us is that you have a knack for making things work again, that you are able to be part of a team, work with others. Sometimes I like to compare Ubuntu development and package maintenance with detective work, because sometimes it takes a lot of investigation to see what the problem really is about, to look at upstream changelogs, to investigate what's happening in their revision control system, to talk to developers of other distributions, to talk to users. So you can easily see that you're going to be in touch with a lot of people, that you're going to be a tie to other developers. And as long as you are as careful as you can, as long as you try to make it work, and you're not afraid to ask questions, all is fine. All is fine, and you're going to learn quite a lot. The great thing about Ubuntu development and the MOTU team in particular is that we maintain all the tens of thousands of packages we have as a team. So you're going to, if that's your interest, you're going to touch packages in Perl, in C, C++, see different packaging techniques, and learn quite a lot that way. One thing that's important is that you're really not afraid to interact with people, that you talk to others, find out what a good way is to fix a bug, and get involved that way. We have lots of initiatives to showcase our work, and it's easy for you to see where we're at, what we're working on, and how to exactly get involved. There's Ubuntu Open Week, there's Ubuntu Developer Week. Both are 4 events in the year where we have a full week of ISC presentations, workshops, tutorials, and question and answer sessions. We have UDS, which is the Ubuntu Developer Summit, so if you're nearby, feel free to drop in and participate in the sessions. We have the #Ubuntu MOTU IRC channel, Ubuntu Devil IRC channel, where people are really helpful, and you can always, at every time of the week, you can just drop in, ask your questions. We're there 24/7, and people there are really helpful. There's the Ubuntu MOTU Mentors mailing list where you can easily ask all the questions you have. And yeah, if you have any other questions, feel free to drop me an email, and I look forward to talking to you.